Okay, guys, so we got Nori, is that right?
Yes. Yes, very much.
Nori coming to the workshop. He came over the other day to buy some product and asking some questions on how to do a few things. And at the end of the day, guys, I thought it would just be easier just to get his piece in here and give him a hand with it. So first up, we're going to be using RESINZWOOD new multi-sealer. Now the multi-sealer, guys, is perfect for all porous surfaces, wood, stone, concrete, brick, you name it, this baby, she'll do it all. But today's application, what we're going to do is we're going to do the top and the bottom of this beautiful macrocarpet slab. Now you'll notice this slab does have a curve in it, and you know that's just one thing that catches new players out. So what we're going to do is we're going to seal it both sides, and then I'm going to heat up the slab and I'm going to clamp it down and just see if it wants to go back into being a nice flat table. If it doesn't do that, what we're going to do is we're going to put a deep cast over the top of about 10 to 15 mil to fill up the hollow void that runs through the middle. But anyway, guys, cracking on, first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to get our man here to do it himself. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is just going to flip the slab over and do the bottom first, seal up the bottom, give that about a quarter of an hour, 20 minutes to dry up a little bit, flip it back over and seal the top. Okay, so first thing, put on some gloves. Yeah, these are a lot better. They're a bit more expensive, but they're really good.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's all good. So this is 1-to-1 ratio by volume. Yeah, so we'll just mix them up. And we'll just go for, say, you only want to put a small amount on. So we'll go for, say, 400 mil, yeah? So we just put in 200 of each, part A and part B. And yeah, always like to put part B in first. Yeah. Come up to there. Just over. Just over 4. So it's all cool, and then we'll just
Mix together.
yeah, just give it a very light stir up.
Yep.
So you can see this product, guys, is like really, really, really thin. And it's quite smelly because it's solvent based. The object of this is just to seal the timber. It's not for filling the big holes. So if stuff runs in, it runs in, but at the end of the day, this is really for sealing. So we just pour this out. And then if you just use your hands and spread it all over. Yeah, on the sides, rub all the sides, massage it. Just like you're giving the wife a good massage at night, you know. Really important, guys, like when you're doing your seal coat, make sure you get a good coat on. Like, you know, yeah, I might have mixed a bit much there, but at the end of the day, better to have a bit too much than not enough. And you're doing a fantastic job there, brother. Yeah, it looks absolutely amazing. It's as easy as that, guys, for doing your sealer. Seal your timber properly. I think we're going to get away with, you know, one coat. You might need one more light one of about 150 ml of sealer. Now, just to give you an example, an idea, this slab is 1500 by 1000 millimeters. So 1500 by 1000 millimeters, we've used 400 milliliters of sealer, and that's more than enough. So you can mostly get away with, you can mostly get away with about 300 ml per side per coat. Now let's say we're doing swamp carry, for example. Swamp carry or remu would suck in a lot more product than this. So Nori's just about to, yeah, crack away, brother. Seal the top. Spread it all out. And you want to give that a real good spread out now, okay? So the idea here, guys, it's not going for like, you know, really deep. Just massage it in there, mate. It's all good. You just want a nice thin coat over all your work. So this is going to be the top side, and we are kind of concerned about this top. I am pretty concerned about it because it's so bent, but we'll see if we can straighten it up a bit and try to get it to bend back the other way. Let's give this side a real good coat, you know, so it really soaks in over the next 12 to 24 hours. And I'll clamp it down to the table. Now, I'm picking what might happen, Nori, is this might snap in half through here.
Yep.
And if it does snap, then we'll stitch it together with bow ties or something like that, yeah? But just to let you know, there is the potential that it could snap, and if it does snap, it's not necessarily a bad thing, because it's just going to relieve all the stress in the timber, and then we can just do something funky. What you could actually do is, if it stays really bent, we could snap it, sand a bit out, yeah, and then put a nice river in it, and that'll save a lot of epoxy as well. So doing a great job there, brother. You're thinking about doing this, guys, RESINZWOOD multi-sealer. It's the best way to go. All your products, do your concrete. I do all my gemstones, everything with this. So when I pull my gem tables and stuff, it doesn't expel too much air. Other thing is, like, you know, you can go and buy polished gemstones and put them into a table. No point. Just come through to our site, tell us what you want, buy some raw stones, and as soon as the epoxy gets onto the raw stones, they come up absolutely stunning. Anyway, we're just going to leave Nori there doing that. Fantastic job, brother. Just keep spreading it out. You don't have to rush. It's not a race. Just make sure your ends are really well covered, and just drag more from the center in the middle there up to the side that you're on, because I can tell that side's looking a little bit dry, yeah? So while you're doing that, I'm going to go and make you nice cup of coffee, and there's some dinner inside if you need something. So guys, if you're wanting to do your own stuff in my shop, you're more than welcome to come along. You just chip in a bit for power and that sort of thing, pay for your product, and happy days.